Okay, let's spin up the Quizatron.
Quizatron 9000.
We've got 5 more questions here. Again, you can record your answers and check them against the answers in the solutions video at the end of the chapter. Question 1. Drupal comes bundled with which languages already downloaded? A. English, B. Spanish, C. French, D. German. Question 2. You have to add a new language in order to translate the interface. True or false? Question 3. When will translated content show a translated version? Check all that apply. A. When you visit the URL of the translated version of the page. B. When you visit the original URL of the page with a different profile language enabled. C. When you visit the original URL of the page with a language code, e.g. ES, prefixed to it. And D. When you click the Translate button. Question 4. You can set different default languages for different content types. True or false? Question 5. Which of the following can be translated? Check all that apply. A. Blocks, B. Comments, C. Taxonomy term, D. Users, and E. Interface.